Good morning, everyone. I am Crestview Studios, and today we are with Crestview Farms and the man himself, Jacob Bain. Jacob, say hi to the camera. So today we're in Louisville, Kentucky for the Farm Expo. At least I think this is what this is. We are currently in the New Holland section, and we are just moseying around today. Then I guess after a few hours we'll be going back to Ohio. So I'm currently in the John Deere wing, and this is what a multi-million-dollar machine looks like. You can smell the debt, but at the same time, it smells good. I'll let you guys read that. Provided people don't get in my shots. This will probably get my field done in less than 10 minutes. It's huge. By no means this is sponsored by John Deere. If I were to have any machine, it'd probably be this or that tractor over there. So this is me filming my husband and Jacob, who is also filming. And we are in the Crone section at the Farmers Expo. Okay, so now we are in the Massey Ferguson Ag Gleaner and Agco section of the building. That is a really nice one. Keeping an eye on these two troublemakers. Someone made a diorama, and it's like the best thing I've ever seen in my life. See 7 states. Really like that house. Have a look. See. Try not to film all these people. Oh, there's like a working water thing too. That's really cool. I just lost my group. There they are. This is labeled the American Dream. Got hay set up over there. Here's a better view. The amount of time and detail they put into this is phenomenal. Honey, please move your elbow. Here we got the bird's eye view. Trying not to drop my camera. I just noticed the back side of the house. Got a nice little garden back there. Got a grain setup. Dealership. Looks like they're running ditching, working ground, planting. Got some frog merchandise. Nice. We have a Briar sighting in the Craft Wing gift shop. Unfortunately, I didn't get any. I'm still on the lookout for something that I really like. Got another Briar sighting. There's Jolene that I want, but I don't have the money for. Got a white Percheron from the warehouse sale. Got the Troubadour from the Christmas series last year. Got Honey Bear and a well-loved John Henry. And we got little Ricky Rocker for 75 bucks. Wish I had the money for. I don't even remember where we parked, and already the line is getting long out there to try to get back out on the main drag. This should be fun going home. Oh, these are cute. That's the price, isn't it? And I was right. And that's the end of our only day here at the Farmers Expo, and begins a long trip back to Ohio.